26 mountain bike tire repair kit, 1 pack or 2 pack, with tools. Upgrade instead of just replace. Our premium replacement parts are an upgrade from the products that came on your complete bike. We've been producing bicycles and fitness products for more than 20 years, and these replacement kits are just what you need if you've been let down by the blowouts and flat tires that came on your bicycle. Multi-purpose use. This deep tread design allows you to ride like a king again. These tires are premium quality aftermarket upgrades with a semi-aggressive tread to maintain stability and control when you need to turn or lean, giving you that confidence you expect and deserve. Perfect for gravel, trail, dirt, mountain, hybrid, MTB, or simply riding around the neighborhood. High-quality tools included. We give you everything you need for a fresh, reliable aftermarket upgrade, including premium quality tubes, optional, and high-quality tire levers that won't snap when you look at them. Ours are made of reliable fiber-reinforced plastic. Like I said, we've been doing this for 20 years and going. Your satisfaction is our job. 20 years of customer service guaranteed. We've been building and innovating bicycle and fitness products for more than 20 years. While we might be new to Amazon, we built this brand on customer service that is second to none, and if you have any issues with our products, we are here to take care of you. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent value replacement tires, tubes. Excellent kit with tires, tubes, rim liners and tire spoons, to help remove old tires. Right size, easy to install and get 2 new tires on a bike that had old, worn, torn tires. Great for regular use bikes, not anything specialized for off-road or lightweight, but perfect for everyone else. You'll need a wrench to take the wheel off the bike, a pump to air up the new tires, tubes, everything else is in the box. Perfect kit to revitalize an older bike or fix tire maintenance issues.